Welcome to the Deep Dive. We're brought to you today by Softek, the premier provider of digital banking solutions. Okay, let's jump in. Today, we're diving into something called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. It's a really fascinating way to make AI work smarter for you. Our mission today: explore how this tech can basically transform your own big pile of information into instant, very specific insights. And what's pretty cool about this particular deep dive is, well, the source material is actually an article and a speech we put together ourselves. So yeah, we've got some direct insight here, straight from the source, so to speak. So let's unpack it. RAG. Fundamentally, how does it let an AI like ChatGPT use your specific documents?
Right. It's interesting because we all know ChatGPT is great for general stuff, but it can struggle with very specific or current or, company private information. Sometimes it even hallucinates answers, right? Our Edge is, well, a pretty elegant fix for that. It lets the AI build its answers directly from an organization's own internal documents. Verified stuff. Imagine it pulling from your policies, procedures, maybe annual reports, even website content, marketing materials, whatever you give it, to answer a very precise question. So it's accurate and relevant.
That sounds incredibly useful. And our work suggested it's actually quite straightforward to set up. Like, you described it as simple to create an assistant, just give it instructions, add your files. But maybe for our listeners, can you give a little peek under the hood? What's the magic making that simplicity work so well?
Exactly. Simple on the surface, maybe, but underneath it's pretty sophisticated. RJ works by first intelligently indexing your documents. It converts them into something called embeddings.
Embeddings, okay.
Yeah, basically numbers the AI understands. Then when you ask something, the system quickly finds the most relevant bits from your index data. It uses that to shape the AI's answer. So the AI isn't just guessing.
Oh, okay.
It's drawing directly from your verified knowledge base, grounding its answers in your facts.
That grounding, yeah, that seems crucial, especially for important tasks. Our insights pointed to using it for things like, say, underwriting loans or handling complex call center questions for banks, credit unions, places with tons of compliance docs, old systems, member data. RAG sounds like it could be a perfect fit. Have you seen some really impactful uses in, like, a credit union setting?
Oh, absolutely. For credit unions, it's potentially transformative. Think about getting an answer on some complex regulation instantly without digging through PDFs for hours or giving member service reps insights based on a member's whole history right there.
Yeah.
We've also seen it speed up fraud detection. Quickly linking weird activity to internal policies. It just helps make smarter, faster decisions everywhere from the back office to the front line.
And what really makes this real for us is that we're actually doing it. Our own organization, Softek, we use these custom ChatGPT assistants day to day. We even built one called EvanAI. It helps answer questions instantly about our core product, Evan. Keeps everyone on the same page.
Yes, exactly. We're very hands-on. And it really shows our whole AI everywhere philosophy in action. It's about making AI not just, available, but really useful for your specific information world. It makes you realize how much valuable knowledge just sits there kind of dormant in most places, doesn't it?
It really does.
We even had one team tell us their new hires onboarded, like a third faster, just because they had EvanAI for all their product policy questions.
Yeah.
No more hunting through old manuals.
That's a fantastic real-world result. But let's talk security for a second. Financial sector listeners, data security, compliance, these are huge. What are the main things they need to think about, the safeguards, when considering RAG, especially with sensitive financial data?
That's a really important question. It's powerful, yes, but you absolutely have to focus on data quality, make sure the documents going in are accurate, up to date, that's foundational. And then strong access control, security measures, that's non-negotiable, especially in finance. It's not just dumping all your data in, it's about curating trusted sources, making sure it all runs in a secure, compliant way. You can experiment. The instructions are out there, but security has to be paramount.
Well, that pretty much wraps up our deep dive into RAG. It's quite a powerful reminder, isn't it? Focusing AI on your own data is a real shortcut to being well-informed. Lets you pull out those essential nuggets of knowledge super fast. So, thinking about this, consider the sheer amount of information you deal with every day. Imagine having an AI assistant tuned just for your needs, ready to pull answers straight from your documents. How could that change things for your team? Productivity, decision-making. And maybe the bigger question is, what crucial internal knowledge could you unlock next?